Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel! So as you can see, empty yung apartment natin ngayon. So, gagawa tayo ng house tour sa bahay namin kasi lilipat kami. Since lilipat kami, ipapakita namin sa inyo yung tinirahan namin
For the past 4 years.
4 years, yes. So, for the past 4 years, dito kami nakatira. Marami kaming memories dito. But anyway, without further ado, here's
Our messy house tour.
nasa 5th floor kami sa building na to. And then, dito papasok tayo. Ay, nakabukas na pala. Hello! Hello sa may-ari.
Our landlord.
So guys, ito pala yung bahay namin dati.
400 something.
Hindi naman dati, but ngayon, yung current namin na bahay, ito yun. Pero since lilipat kami ng bagong house, we'll explain it later. Ngayon muna, ifo-focus muna natin itong house tour natin. So, ilang square foot ba to? Mga
I think like 485 or something.
485.
It's not quite 500, but it's not low 400.
Okay, yeah. Hindi siya abot ng 500. But anyways, pagpasok nyo dito, ayan, ito agad ang bubungad sa inyo, yung washroom namin. Ayan, makalat siya kasi, of course, nakahakot kami and everything. And then, there's me. Hello. Ang kagandahan nito kasi continue yung, anong tawag nito? Mirror. And then, may mga nakalagay kami mga chachaburetsa dito dati. Pero of course, naklinis na namin yan. And then, that's the sink. May mga churva din dito, mga lalagyan ng mga everything. And nung una namin tong nakita, ang pinakauna talaga naming na-notice is yung tub. Gustong-gusto ni Kim tong tub kasi,
I think it's called like a soaker tub.
it's a soccer tub. Sabi ko sana soccer club. Oy, yes. May mga background music tayo. Ay, mga background kung naririnig kayo. And of course, Tabo is life. Right?
Yeah, and then there's a medicine cabinet over here too. It's very limited. There's not a lot of space.
Yeah.
But that's okay because there's also youth spaces in here, which is nice.
I don't think na empty na natin yan, but that's okay. This one's empty. And then, may mga chachaburetsa pa kami naiwan dyan. So, that's still a lot. And then, ay, sorry kasi mas unga. Tapos, so yun yung washroom. And then dito sa right side namin, ito yung den namin or storage or I don't know. Pero dati nung una kaming lumipat dito, ginawa namin tong office kasi work from home si Kim before.
Because that
But
was
then,
pandemic.
Pandemic yun eh. But then nung later on, nung nag-hybrid na and everything and she doesn't really need a space for
For a
kailangan
monitor.
for working, whatever, ginawa namin tong storage na lang. So, yun, I think nakakita niyo yung mga videos namin. And then, going here naman, ito na yung hallway namin. Medyo masikip siya. But, it's good for, for 2 katao lang. So, this is really perfect kung kayo lang, or dalawa lang kayo. Sorry. So, sa hallway, meron na tayong washer and dryer. Like, nasa loob na talaga siya. And, which is good kasi, di ba, di ka nalalabas. And then, may mga coat, kami dito? Churvanes.
May code pa pala tayo dyan.
Yeah, pero dadalhin ko to kasi, Ito, dito namin nilalagay yung coats namin, which is very convenient naman talaga siya. And then, from here, sa hallway na to, papasok na tayo sa bedroom. Ito yung bedroom namin. Ito yung may full size na mirror. And then, ito yung bedroom. Ayan. Kumasya naman yung queen size dito siguro mga ito lang yung space. Ay, ito, yung mga markings. Kumasya yung queen size na bed dito. And, open din yung windows.
So this is the view from the bedroom. And then we just have this coat rack because nagka-flood dito. And then we had to move all of our stuff from the closet into a coat rack. So we just kept this from there. That's our broken TV that we need to dispose.
Yeah. And then now, paglabas nyo guys, eto na agad yung bubungad sa inyo. The kitchen and the living room. Siguro nakikita niyo yun sa video namin. But yes, dito sa kitchen namin, medyo masikip talaga siya. Pero again, dahil nga dalawa lang kami ni Kim, very good yung size niya. May storage dun sa taas. This is the fridge na kailangan pa namin i-empty. Freezer, and then may mga drawers dito na mga lalagyan ng mga anything dati, churba. But this one, also isa sa mga selling points dito kasi gas siya. Eh, gusto ni Kim ng gas pag nagluluto siya. Hindi naman ako nagluluto talaga, si Kim yung nagluluto. And then lahat, this one, kasali na to. And then the dishwasher also, kasali na siya. Which is good. And yeah, eto, that's it. Mga storage lang siya. And then dito na yung living room namin. So maliit lang talaga siya. Walang 500 square feet. And dito yung lagi nyo nakikita na view. This is it.
Yeah, so that's the SkyTrain.
Yeah. Nasa 5th floor lang kami ngayon. Mababa lang to. And which is, very
Convenient.
convenient for us kasi nung nakailang alarms na dito and then nung nag-flood, ang easy lang gumamit talaga. May mga emergencies, ang easy lang namin bumaba sa stairs kasi hindi masyadong mataas yung inaakyat baba namin. So, nilipat kami ng bahay. Kaya namin to pinapakita sa inyo. Kasi naghahanap kami ng mas bigger na space. So, kaya nga sinasabi ko kanina, maliit nga talaga siya. Good lang siya for us dalawa. But then, ngayon, pareho na kaming maraming schedule sa na work from home, na hybrid yung schedule namin. Kinailangan na talaga namin ng space na like for setting up our desks, like office space, basically. And thankfully naman, yung landlord namin, may available naman siya na unit and then we took it na. Anyways, yeah, maraming memories kami dito, but we have to let go and we have to like really, kasi kailangan na din namin ng space talaga.
Yeah.
That one, siguro aabot sa 500 something square feet. Wide siya and hindi siya kagaya nito na rectangular. Yung bago naming lugar is square talaga siya. And mas malaki talaga siya.
Yeah. So the problem with this space is kahit na i-rearrange namin yung living room, so like ilagay namin yung TV dito, ilagay namin yung TV doon, yung couch, kahit na baliktarin namin yung space, wala pa rin enough space for an actual like desk space. And if we put a desk space here, mawawala na yung kainan namin. And kung maglagay din kami ng desk space here, hindi na kami talaga pwede mag-receive ng mga visitors or guests or like any sleepovers kasi wala ang sikip na. So like,
yeah, and also ayaw namin na may desk sa loob ng kwarto kasi first masikip na talaga siya. And second, para maganda lang pang nakahiwala yung work sa pahinga. You know, like, nasa bahay ka nga pero nag-work ka. Parang ibang lang talaga yun. But anyway, yeah, overall, I think yung main lang talaga na reason is yung space lang talaga. Kasi may mga bumibisita din naman sa amin eh. Yung family ni Kim bumibisita naman din dito sa amin. And we needed the space. Siguro, yung isa lang na wala na sa bago naming titirhan na andito ngayon is yung pool.
oh yeah,
Swimming pool.
sorry Ella. But the thing is with the pool too, kung kami lang dito ni Kat na just us, we never use it or we rarely use it. We use it pag nandito lang sila mom or I don't know, pag maisipan namin paminsan-minsan. But really, it's no use to us, and in the summer it's usually out of ano out of service.
Yeah, or yeah, minsan maraming mga closure, mga
Yeah.
ano na schedule during summer, especially dahil nga maraming gumagamit din sa summer. So, yeah, if kami lang naman, hindi naman talaga namin nagagamit. So,
Yeah, but this space is really nice. It's really convenient. The place is really good. Like the location of the building is really good. It's
Yeah.
right next to the station. It's like a 10-minute walk to the station. And then the highway is like you just go down Boundary Road and then that's the highway.
yeah, and malapit siya sa train station. Nabanggit mo na ba?
Yeah.
Malapit siya sa train station. So, kung malalakad siya dito, from here to the train station, siguro mga 8 to 10 minutes na lakad. And it's really good in the morning. Very quiet. Very, may bus din naman across the street. Papuntang train station if nagmamadali kayo or anything. Pero, yeah, like, sa amin ni Kim, very convenient tong lugar na to. Like, personally, sa ano namin, very convenient siya kasi, yun nga, boundary siya, pero malapit siya sa malls, sa transit, sa everything. Yeah, I don't think recommended siya for family, no? Kasi
Not this space.
not this space.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think this one is for like a single person or maybe a couple with
yeah.
not a lot of things. But it's a really nice space, a really nice building, and really nice location. So
Very
yeah,
quiet din siya. Very quiet. And then, yung mga caretakers ng building, they're very quick in responding to your messages if may mga concerns kayo. And the landlord also very, very, very hands-on siya sa mga tenants niya. Like, not naman na papakialaman niya kung saan kayo pupunta or anything. But, if may mga concerns kayo or anything na kailangan i-address, they're very quick sa pagresponde. Yung ganun ba. But yeah.
So the rent here is 2,300 for this. I'm not sure kung kasama na yung parking doon. Do you
I
know?
don't think, no, wala.
So ito wala siyang parking, but you can rent the parking for 75
Depende sa,
or siguro 100 na ngayon.
I don't know, pero meron pa naman nagpaparent ng 75 to 90 or 75 to 100. Mga ganun, 75 to 100 na range. Ganun na yung range na ngayon. I think depende din siguro sa location.
Yeah.
So, yung sa amin, eto, wala siyang kasali na parking. So, kaya we had to pay an extra
$75.
yeah, extra $75 for the parking. Kasi, hindi to kasali. But the one na nalilipatan namin,
May parking na.
may parking na siya nakasali. So, it's really good. But this one is a really good location din.
Yeah.
So-
And the space is nice and clean because we lived here and we know. And
Yeah.
it has a lot of like light that comes in even if it's dark out. It's really nice and bright in here. And then yeah, it's really nice. The electricity is like it ranges from like 30 to 50 per month, but it's
If-
bi-monthly.
Bi-monthly.
Ay, bi-monthly ba yun? Like every 2 months.
Bi-monthly, yeah. But also depende sa usage niyo. But then again, dahil nga hindi kami masyadong wala kami masyado ni Kim dito dati dahil nga office kami every like sa work. So, usually hindi talaga gamit yung electricity namin. Pero pag weekend naman, hindi naman din masyadong malaki yung konsumo namin sa electricity. Now, sa bahay namin na lilipatan, we're not sure yet kasi yun nga, parang I think mas maraming time na nasa bahay kami dahil
Yeah.
nga we're both working from home, like hybrid. And then, but we'll see. Basically, yung lugar na to very tipid din naman siya. Very good din naman siya sa,
Yeah.
sa everything. The water is included. You'll just have to pay for the hydro and
TELUS Wi-Fi
Internet.
internet. Yeah, and then our TELUS, they usually have promos if you sign up for 2 years. So we got that one for $66, but then they raised their prices to I know 70, and then
Yeah.
we now recently switched to Novus, which this building is also connected to Novus. So that's one of the perks with the building also, because you get access to Novus, and Novus is another internet service provider, and they're a lot cheaper than Telus and also works just the same.
Yeah, marami ng buildings actually ang nagpa-partner ng Novus or provider ang Novus. But we're not sponsoring, we're just telling you guys na there are other options if medyo
Mataas ang Telus.
mataas ang telos or mataas yung other internet provider. But yeah, there's also Novus. Yeah, I think we
I think that's all. We just
That's
wanted to
all.
show you the space and where we were living for the past 4 years. We've been here
the
for
past
4 years.
Yes. Um, we have had good memories here. Even yung nagbabantay ng bahay namin joke. No, it's really good. Pinag-isipan din naman namin bago kami nag-move because then, di ba, mag-move kami sa may office space na and then may den pa. So it's really for us like
An
pinag-isipan-
upgrade and
An upgrade, yeah. So, pinag-isipan namin siyang mabuti bago kami na-decide. But then again, this one is really good. Like, hindi naman namin talaga to ila-let go if wala kaming good reasons. You know, like, we could stay here, but it's also very hard to accommodate guests and also have, like, just being able to have a comfortable space for working is also very hard for us. So, yeah, yun.
yeah, and also if we want to focus on work because we want to make more money and be successful, we need to have a space that provides that for us.
Yeah.
And so that's one of the pushes also. And yeah, I mean, there's really no need for other reasons other than that. Sometimes you just need to upgrade
Yeah.
and have more reason to like push further.
To push further, yeah.
But
And we needed that.
yeah, and it's been 4 years. This place has treated us really kindly, and
Really, really kindly. Wala kaming masyadong problema. I mean, wala kami naging problema talaga sa stay na to. Other than yung nakita nyo before na may
Flood.
incident na nagbaha dito.
Yeah.
But even that one, hindi naman masyadong affected. Sobra yung namin, yung unit namin, and they're very good naman talaga sa pag-handle ng situation na yun. So there's wala talagang ika-worry or anything like that. But yes, if you have any questions about this one, about sa apartment na to, let us know. Would love to answer your questions if gusto nyo mag-schedule ng showing or anything.
yeah. So this one is right now available for renting. Our landlord is showing it to a lot of people right now. But yeah, if we know anyone or if you know anyone that wants to rent out this place, it's $2,300, and that's a fairly good price right now for the location. And the building itself, it's quite new. So it's a good price because $2,300 is still on the cheaper side, even for a
Yeah.
1-bedroom and den.
And if you're gonna ask sa amenities na kasali ng 2,300, there's the pool, there's the gym.
2 gyms.
2 gyms, may pool, and then yun nga lang yung parking hindi kasali. The water is also included, may hot, cold.
And the water pressure is
Water pressure is good, may washer dryer, kompleto na yung mga basic necessities na appliances.
yeah, and it's a gas stove, and the washer is new.
The washer is new. Napalitan nung kami ang
Tenants.
kami yung tenants kasi nagka-problema. So, na-witness namin na pinalitan siya.
Yeah.
But yes, it's a quiet neighborhood. I mean, so very quiet tong floor na to kasi may mga pamilya naman pero like they're very very nice people.
Yeah.
And very limited lang yung dito.
Units.
Units dito sa floor na to. So I think they're 1, 2. Basta mga
less than, siguro, less than 10.
mga less than 10. So siya. Quiet.
Or siguro 10. I don't know.
Mga 10 ganun.
Pero yeah, it's a good building. It's a really, really good building, honestly. And guys, the parking outside is really helpful if you're leaving work at before 7 or before 8. It's really helpful because you can start your car from here, and plus you get a really nice view of the mountains. And
Yeah, north side siya.
yeah,
A north facing na na bahay.
yeah,
And the mountains, they're really nice.
yeah. We love this place. Lots of like cute memories here, and yeah.
Yeah. That's it. Let us know if you have questions or mag-comment kayo or anything. But yes, thank you sa mga bagong subscribers namin, and thank you guys for watching so much.
Hey, hey, hey.